I was working on a project recently and I had a list of about 800 codes that were missing their alphanumeric prefixes. Instead of going one by one to add the prefix, I combined three easy formulas to automate the process. Here's how I broke it down. First things first, identify the problem. As I stated, I have a long list of codes that are missing their prefixes. Now that I know the problem, I need to identify the steps to solve it. Here's some background. Each department's code has a max of 7 characters, and the prefix for each code is 2 letters followed by 1 to 4 zeros before the code's natural numbers. For those that don't know, natural numbers or counting numbers start with the number 1, then 2, 3, and so on. Here is an example of one of the codes. Here are the 2 alphabet characters, the 2 zeros, and the natural numbers, for a total of 7 characters. In this code below, when there are 4 natural numbers, 1, 1, 6, 5, you'll see that there is only 1 zero, again for a total of 7 characters. So I needed a formula or formulas that would evaluate how many natural numbers were in each cell and then assign the right prefix at the beginning. To evaluate how many characters were in each cell, I used the LEN formula. That's spelled L-E-N. Then I identified how many scenarios would exist in my if statement. As you can see here, if there is one natural number in the cell, then the prefix is AA and 4 zeros, which totals 7 characters, and so on as you see the remaining scenarios listed below. So I know my characters, I identified the possible scenarios, and I need to join the results, which I did using the concatenate formula to join the right prefix with the existing characters in each cell. Here is each section of the formula. All I did was type it once and then copy it and update the LEN and concatenate criteria for each scenario we have listed. And here is the final formula. So let's go ahead and paste the formula here next to the first value in my data set. To do so, I'm just going to copy here, go into the cell, press Ctrl V to paste it, and I'm going to press return. And there you have it. Now I'll go ahead and copy that formula down, and what it's going to do is complete that evaluation and create each code for the entire list. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and follow for more. And just like that, you too can tech.